These presentations are a part of a WEC-Sim Advanced Feature training course. In this presentation, I will describe WEC-Sim's non-hydrodynamic body feature. Hydrodynamic or non-hydro body has different forces applied to it than other WEC-Sim bodies. The wave excitation, radiation damping, added mass, hydrostatic restoring, Morse element, viscous drag, and linear damping forces are not applied to a non-hydro body. Only gravity and buoyancy forces are applied to a non-hydro body. The mass and inertia of the body will still impact the multibody dynamics. Two contrasting examples are shown here, a fixed hydrodynamic body and a fixed non-hydrodynamic body. WEC-Sim OSWEC tutorial is a two-body simulation containing a hydrodynamic flap, which rotates about a joint, and a base, which is a fixed hydrodynamic body. The hydrodynamic forces, like wave excitation, are applied to the base. Radiation and restoring forces are also calculated and applied, but are zero because the body is fixed and has no motion. The fixed hydrodynamic body is defined in the input file with an H5 file, an STL file, and a placeholder mass and inertia. The simulant constraint attached to the body determines whether it is fixed or free. In the results, we see that the excitation force is non-zero. Other forces are calculated but are zero because the body has no motion. WEC-Sim non-hydrobody application is an identical OSWEC case, except the base is modeled as a fixed non-hydrodynamic body. No hydro forces are applied to the base. This simplifies the model, computational expense, and reduces the required boundary element method solutions. Note, non-hydro bodies do not need to be fixed. The simulant constraint attached to the body determines its range of motion. In the results, we see that all surge forces are zero. In heave, the restoring forces could be non-zero. A hydrodynamic body can be initialized in the WEC-Sim input file without an H5 file and using a body name by setting the non-hydro flag equal to 1 and then defining mass, inertia, center of gravity, center of buoyancy, and displaced volume. An STL file can also be defined for visualization. In the Simulink model, the non-hydro flag turns on the non-hydrodynamic body variant subsystem, which is a variant of the rigid body block. In this block, only gravity and buoyancy forces are applied to the base. If you're listening, view our documentation for additional WEC-Sim training course webinars.